Hi everyone, and welcome to Room Rescue here at the HGTV Home Design Studio inside the warehouse at Huck Finn. I'm Kate Corey, and today we'll share some big ideas for small spaces and we'll inspire your creativity with insider tips on decorating with area rugs. Let's get started. We're going to kick things off today with a look at our room in need of rescue. Joining me now is our design consultant, Tina. Tina, tell me about today's space.
Sure, Kate. I'm working with a woman who has a beautiful apartment. It's in Albany.
Okay.
She wanted a lot of options because she needs to entertain, and she also has a lot of people come over. So we made her a space that had function and form and color.
Tell me about your color scheme.
Sure. I ended up using a beautiful rug. You'll see it in the room.
Okay.
And I showed her a setup that we worked with our studio loft sofa. We also use a Carina chair, and we also use a beautiful orange chair that goes in the room. You can see some of the colors here that we used. Oranges picks up in each one of these fabrics.
It looks beautiful. And you're going with gold accents?
A little bit of gold is in there. It's actually a room where I've used metal, just like these tables that are black and metal.
Okay.
Yep. And we also have a white accent. These are some of our choices that I gave her for her sideboard that she has in the room that she can use as an entertainment center also.
Well, I can't wait to see the final product, Tina. We're going to come back and see you in a little bit, but for now, we're going to run over and see Dan for our 60-second helper. Today, we're talking area rugs with Dan. Dan, why should someone consider an area rug?
Well, an area rug can help determine a color scheme for a room. A solid color or a pattern rug might hint towards design elements or furniture choices or even wall color.
And a rug can really kind of bring out the best in an existing room.
That's what makes it exciting, because it can inspire you to use existing colors or maybe even create your own color palette. We have textured rugs, we have pattern rugs that might actually work with existing home decor to create interesting and unique looks. But whatever you're looking for, we have it. We have machine woven, we have hand tufted, we have your medium pile, your shags, your braided, solid colors, lots of different designs. But if you can't find it there,
I was gonna say, what if I don't find one I want hanging?
take a look at this. We have this great
Oh my goodness.
custom program where you can pick the design that you want and then fill in that pattern with whatever color you want.
Wow, the options really are limitless.
So you're really going to make it your own. And don't forget, our design consultants are here to help you, so we're going to make sure that you're not compromised. You're going to go home with the perfect rug for the perfect room.
Dan, I love the options. Thank you so much for the tip today.
You're welcome.
It's time now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Tina is back. Tina, tell me how you maximize this smaller space.
This room is designed for a woman who lives in a smaller apartment, so I used a smaller scale furniture,
Okay.
but in a big way. I used color, and she loves the color. We used a lot of that coming out of that rug.
I love that area rug. It's a great way to bring the room together.
You're right, Kate. We have those rugs here, and I found the colors of the oranges and the blues. I loved it with the Studio Loft Clio sofa, which is a smaller scale sofa.
It's the perfect size.
It works great in the room because, see, you could also use that large entertainment piece, which we're using as a sideboard.
And tell me about your coffee tables, because it looks like there's a little nesting going on in there.
They're bunching cocktail tables, which is really cool. You could use 3 pieces. 2 over the top could be used as tables next to the chairs. They come right out, and you could have all of those in the room also.
You really put a lot of seating into this small space.
Yes, we have the Carina swivel chair, so you can actually talk to people over on the other side of the room. And we also put in a lot of decoration in the backs, and I also tried to do a few pops of lighter colors and a few pops of bright colors.
Go over some of your accents for me.
The accents are vases. I used a lot of the white as an accent because it was in the curtains. The curtains are pulling out the beautiful color from the rug. I'm also using a gorgeous orange with all of these colors from the rug. And we used the beautiful little maroon just to go with it too, in the blues.
Tina, this room looks amazing. You really pulled off some big ideas.
Thank you, Kate. I really enjoyed doing this for this woman in Albany, and I'm sure we can do the same thing for anyone who might need these ideas in their home.
If you have a design problem you'd like solved, submit your questions and room photos at huckfinnswarehouse.com. That's it for today's episode of Room Rescue here at the HGTV Home Design Studio inside the warehouse at Huck Finn. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.